my concentration.
Hey, what's up you guys? It is Tuesday, and so after all the drama happened on Monday, we actually did get the challenge done. I'm editing it today with Shane. We did the jelly bean challenge. You probably can't hear me because of all the dumb cars. Oh, there goes Matt! There he goes! Follow him! This is a chase. Oh, he's probably going to work. We should go chase. Go. Anyway, so while we're going there, so they did word vomit. The agenda for today is I'm going to edit the video. I already got all the devious items that I'm going to put in Carrick's mouth, and Carrick's supposed to be shopping around and getting the items he's going to put in my mouth. So we're doing the What's in My Mouth challenge. And today, after I get done editing, we're gonna watch Frozen. Everybody, even that kid right up there, said it's really great. So, yeah, that's the agenda for today. So, I don't know what the question of the day is. Let's see. Oh, question of the day. If you've seen Frozen, what did you think about it, and what did you like most about it? Leave your answers in the comment section below, and I'll give mine opinion in tomorrow's daily vlog because I haven't watched it yet. So yeah, we're gonna pester this Matthew Harsh.
It was me and his dad since he came from it.
Yeah. We going. You know we should eat here.
I love his truck.
I think it would be a great
But
idea.
it's not all good inside. Because the outside is.
I know, I like this truck. Sexy truck.
Huh?
That's what he calls it.
What
His
is
sexy beast.
Mm-hmm.
I can always
I
tell.
like how it sounds too. Mm-hmm. Except when you're driving it, is you gotta scream and talk. You even know it's, yeah.
Come on, guys. Get out of the car! You just leave that back there?
Yep.
Someone can steal it.
Who's gonna touch it? Dude, really? People are gonna steal out of my truck.
Yeah. They won't steal the truck, but they'll steal out of it. I like your truck. It's just, you need to redo the engine.
The engine's the best part of it. You know that, right?
Or the gas mileage. Yeah. So you about to go to work?
No.
Like, no, I mean, what time do you get off? Ooh. Gross. Do you have any homework? Good.
Well, I'm probably not gonna have homework for the rest of the year. I'm doing pretty good right now.
Yeah, no, I'm ahead. Like, all the stuff that I did today was all, like, Mondays and Tuesdays work of next week. At least in English. So, yeah. Anyways, we tracked them down, so I'll see you guys later. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, it's later tonight, and I'm actually editing the videos. Actually, it's this video. It's gonna be weird. And then right after that, I'm going to get to the challenge video right after this. But something's been on my mind and I found through YouTubers React. It's called BabyMetal, and I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys. So, let me put you guys in. Okay. Let me pull it up for you guys. Okay, this one is called Line. I don't know why I want to keep saying in, but it's Line full version. BabyMetal is like these three Chinese, I think they're Chinese, hopefully you don't get this wrong, girls. Two of them are 14 and one of them 16, the main one, I think. And they started a band, they have like, it's like heavy metal, but like, I don't know, it'll explain it to yourself, you'll see. Okay, so here we go. It's right there. I love it! They're so cute! I love it. I don't even know what you're saying.
Are you ready to move? Are you ready to move?
Yes. Awesome. Then we go back to the club scene. So they stepped into like an epic like anime. They do this a lot. Encore. So yeah, that was BabyMetal. I've fallen in love and I'm so addicted to it now. So in the comments below, I already did a question of the day, but we can have 2 questions of the day, right? Because this is my channel. Anyways, so question of the day number 2, part 2. What do you think about BabyMetal? And what did you think, like, because that one was very, like, there's like 3 different genres in there. It's awesome. So just Tell me what you think down in the comments. And so yeah, I think that's about it for this daily vlog. I'm about to go head back to editing right now. As always, I'll see you in the future. Bye!